Hi everyone. Have you ever been in a situation where you faced delays on a project because you didn't check if your inverter or grid-connected device had met the correct DNO requirements? Today, we're diving into the ENA Type Test Register and explaining how to find devices appropriate for UK installation. Along with your specific site details, this database contains the additional information needed to complete your DNO application forms. Before we jump into the register, let's quickly break down what G98, G99 and G100 mean. G98 and G99 are UK engineering standards that ensure all generation equipment, including solar inverters, operate safely on the grid without causing instability. G98 applies to smaller installations, up to 16 amps per phase, which translates to approximately 3.6 kilowatts for single phase and 11 kilowatts for three-phase setups. These devices work on a fit and forget basis, meaning the DNO only need to be notified after installation. G99, on the other hand, covers larger installations beyond the G98 limits, including commercial and industrial systems. These require prior DNO approval, since they can impact local grid stability. Then there's G100, which deals with the equipment that limits the amount of power exported to the grid due to DNO restrictions. G100 can apply to the generation equipment itself or to additional devices such as meters that can ensure compliance for entire systems. Now, you may be wondering, what happens if a device isn't registered? Simply put, if it's not on the ENA Type Test Register, it hasn't completed the approved testing process. This could mean it doesn't fully comply with the UK grid connection standards or simply hasn't been registered yet. In such cases, it's best to contact the manufacturer for more information or consider an alternative device that is already registered. Keep in mind that while non-registered equipment might not be appropriate for grid connection, it could still be suitable for off-grid applications. So, how do you use the ENA register? First, head to the new ENA Type Test Register website, which we have provided a link for in the description below. Once there, you can search for your device using the filter sidebar. If you know the model name, type it into the model text field and the correct device should appear. If you don't have the exact model name, another quick method can be to select the manufacturer from the drop-down list and adjust the registered capacity slider to narrow down your options. When you find the device, click on it and check the registration details. You'll see key information like device model, manufacturer, phase and kilowatt rating, along with the device reference number needed for your DNO form. There are also supporting documents available if requested by the end user, but for most purposes, you'll just need to verify that the device is listed and compliant with G98, G99 or G100 for the installation location. The ENA site is always the most up-to-date source for checking compliance, so it's important to use it as your first point of reference for products that are new to you. Taking a moment to check the ENA registration before making a purchase can save you from delays or even rejection by the DNO. In summary, G98 and G99 are the standards for grid connection. G100 covers export limitations. And remember, the ENA site is quick and easy to use, so it's always worth verifying that your grid-connected generation device is compliant before you buy. If you found this video helpful, please share it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you'd like a quote on any solar or storage projects, get in touch with the CCL team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.